More jalla FAL gaiso. Today we're going to talk about something cool, a cool little accessory for the FAL. The other day I ordered a Picatinny rail dust cover for my FAL and I got it in the mail today. So DSA sent it to me after I paid for it, obviously, and that's how it looks like. It is a Picatinny rail dust cover that will fit on the Para FAL. I made sure it fits on the Para FAL because the standard Picatinny rail dust cover will not fit on it due to the spring being all housed inside the or underneath the dust cover. So in this short video, we're just going to look at how to install it, and that's it. In another video, we're going to look at how it works with the FAL, if it works well or not, and how cool it looks. Remember, all your accessories for your rifle need to be functional, need to be useful, and they all need to look cool. So, let's get started. Alright, so here we are. I got everything that I need. I got the DSA dust cover with the rail on top of it. I got these little clamps that clamp in on the side to keep the dust cover on the rifle. I got these little spring end plate thingy that will keep the spring underneath the dust cover. I got a bunch of screws that DSA sent me to put the clamps onto, or to screw down the clamps, and I got a screwdriver. That's all I need to install this thingy, this dust cover, on my DSA Para rifle. So let's get started with it. Alright, first step is to unload the rifle and make sure it is clear. The next step is to take the old dust cover and the bolt carrier out of the rifle. Now the third step is to prepare the dust cover, the new one, with the clamps in there. So for that purpose I already did 2 clamps in there. I just loosely screwed them in and I'm going to do the rest right now.
Hoor hoe lag die manne waar ons langs die vliegtuig staan. Vrolik skittel hande, dis tyd om terug te gaan. Ek kyk weer na die foto waar jy deur die krekels.
Now as you can see on these clamps, there's this little kind of like rail part. That part will slide in on the receiver and keep the dust cover in place.
En hoop jy's nog dieselfde soos op daardie somersdag. Hoor hoe brul die engines, ons is reg om op te styg. Die laaste kwaai bevele, laat die manne.
As you can see, they've been all loosely mounted on the dust cover. The next step, the fourth step, includes installing the dust cover on the rifle. We put the dust cover on the rifle, we take the multi-tool and tighten the screws.
Ek loer weer oor my skouer na die bosse en die sand en dink weer aan die huisie waar die vreugde vure brand. Hang 1000 liggies aan die gevel bo jou deur, gaan pluk 1000 blomme, elke soort, elke kleur, en sing 1000 dingetjies om die ure om te kry.
Alright, and this is the fourth step. Now the dust cover is mounted on the rifle. Now let's get to the fifth step, and that is installing the ball carrier group and the spring. Now you take this little end piece of the spring, you slide it over the spring, you take the ball carrier group and slide the spring in there. All you gotta do, and it's really simple, is to drop it in here. Oh shit. You drop it in here, you take this little piece, you move it in all the way, and you drop the little end piece to the spring in here. It kind of clips in. And this is the dust cover mount for the FAL. I mounted a Holosun red dot on it. They never let me down. Now, as you can see, it works, it stays on there, and it looks cool. What else do you want? In the next video, we're gonna actually shoot that thing and see if it works firing or if it just falls apart. Now, from what I heard, they're pretty good and they withstand some abuse. I know a bunch of my friends in South Africa who are working as park rangers or anti-poaching units. They all have these DSA mounts and they love them. So, stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed the video.